Dear students, I start with lecture 37 of 101 and 102. Have a look on this example. If x is greater than 0, then prove that x is greater than log 1 plus x is greater than x upon 1 plus x. So let's start to prove it. Answer. Here fx is equal to log 1 plus x. We choose this function by ourselves. આપણે જાતે નક્કી કર્યું છે સ્ટેટમેન્ટ પરથી, અને એ તમે હવે મને લાગે છે કે ધીરે ધીરે તમને પણ ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો છે. is continuous on close interval 0 to x. તમને ખ્યાલ છે કે x is greater than 0 એ રીતે વાત કરી હોય તો આપણે ઇન્ટરવલ 0 to x લઈએ છીએ. Also f is differentiable on open 0 to x. Therefore, by Lagrange's mean value theorem, so these are both the conditions of Lagrange's mean value theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem, fb minus fa upon b minus a equal to f dash c, where c is a to b. So here we have fx equal to log 1 plus x. So f dash x is 1 upon 1 plus x. So we put these values here. So fx is log 1 plus x minus log 1, because we put x equal to 0 upon x equal to 1 upon 1 plus c. fx જો log 1 plus x છે તો f dash x ની કિંમત 1 upon 1 plus x, અને આમાં જે c છે એ 0 થી x માં છે. We call this as equation number 1 for reference. So here we have c is in a to b, means 0 to x. Therefore 0 less than c less than x. Add 1 on all these numbers, all these three terms. 0 plus 1 to 1, 1 plus c, 1 plus x. બધામાં એક ઉમેરી દીધા. હવે એમના વ્યસ્ત લઈએ છે. Therefore 1 upon 1 plus x is less than 1 upon 1 plus c is less than 1. Because 1 is less than 2 less than 4 implies 1 by 4 less than 1 by 2 less than 1. હવે તમે જુઓ ઇક્વેશન 1 માં આની 1 upon 1 plus c ની કિંમત છે. log 1 તો 0 જ છે. જો આને વધારે સિમ્પ્લિફાઈ કરવું હોય તો log 1 plus x upon x equal to 1 upon 1 plus c, તમે આને ઇક્વેશન 1 કહી દો. અને વેલ્યુ ઓફ c is in between a to b. હવે જો આ વેલ્યુ તમે ત્યાં પુટ કરો. If we put this value here, therefore 1 upon 1 plus x is less than log 1 plus x upon x less than 1. આ જે લખ્યું છે because of equation 1, તમે આને કહી દો 1 કે આને કહી દો 1, એક જ વાત છે. log 1 ની કિંમત 0 થાય આમાં મૂકી દીધી છે. this value is 0. હવે આખા ટર્મને તમે x થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો. x upon 1 plus x log 1 plus x is less than x. Actually this we wanted, આપણે જે જોઈએ છે તે આ જ છે. and therefore root માટે અહીંયા સાબિત થાય છે. જોઈ લો એકવાર. One more sum on the board. If 0 less than a less than b, then prove that e upon e raised to a by b is less than b by a is less than e raised to b by a upon e. And here we have to take fx equal to log x. Which function we have to take, that was already given to us, so we start for that. And obviously the range is close interval a to b. Answer here fx equal to log x x from a to b is continuous. On closed interval a to b. Actually છોકરાઓ તમે જેટલા પણ વિધેયના વિકલન જાણો છો, કારણ કે ડિફરન્શિયેબલ ફંક્શન્સ આર ઓલવેઝ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ. વિકલનીય વિધેય હંમેશા સતત હોય. એટલે જેના પણ તમે વિકલન જાણો છો એ બધા સતત હોવાના હોય જ, તો જે વિકલનીય હોય. log x નું વિકલન તમને ખબર છે 1 upon x ડિફરન્શિયેબલ, તો એ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ છે, સતત છે. એટલે આ એક વાત તમે મગજમાં રાખજો કે જેટલાના પણ વિકલન જાણો છો એટલા તો સતત છે જ. Also f is differentiable on open a to b. Therefore, by Lagrange's mean value theorem, fb minus fa upon b minus a equal to f dash c, where c is in open a to b. Now we put the values of f, that means fb, that is log b, log b minus log a upon b minus a equal to 1 upon c, where c is in open a to b. How it is? Because fx is log x. Therefore, f dash x is 1 upon x. तो f dash c શું થશે? 1 upon c થાય ને? Because f dash x is 1 upon x. All these things are obvious. And therefore, log b by a upon b minus a equal to 1 upon c, where c is in open a to b. We call this as equation number 1. Now, here C is in open A to B, means it is in between A and B. Therefore, A less than C less than B. Therefore, 1 upon B is less than 1 upon C is less than 1 upon A by taking reciprocals. અને આ તમને ખબર છે કે આ કેવી રીતે થાય છે? બધા પોઝિટિવ તો છે જ. જો અહીંયાથી આપેલું છે 1 less than 2 less than 4 implies 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2 less than 1. રેસિપ્રોકલ કરશો તો આ થવાનું છે. વ્યસ્ત. Therefore, 1 upon B is less than log B by A upon B minus A is less than 1 upon A. We put value of 1 upon C from equation 1. અહીંયાથી મૂક્યું છે. Okay? અહીંયાથી છે. અને આપણે આખાની ઇક્વેશન ને b a થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીશું. b a upon b is log b by a, b minus a by a. આ બધાને એના પાવરમાં લખી શકાય. Therefore, log બધાને e ના પાવરમાં લખશો તો અહીંયા log અને e એકબીજાના વ્યસ્ત છે એટલા માટે ખાલી d by a આવશે. And therefore, e upon e raised to a by b is less than b by a is less than e raised to b by a upon e. And this is the requirement એક તો જોઈએ છે આપણે with proofs. જોઈ લો ચાલો. Dear students, one more sum on the board. First read the statement and then try to find its answer. By taking fx equal to x log x in open A to B subset of R plus, prove that E into A raised to B minus A is less than B raised to B A raised to A is less than EB raised to B minus A. Hence derive A upon B raised to B is less than E raised to A minus B is less than A upon B raised to A. So here it is already given that which function we have to take. The function is x log x. Answer. Here fx equal to x log x is continuous on closed interval A to B. F is differentiable on open interval A to B. Therefore, by Lagrange's mean value theorem, Fb minus Fa upon B minus A is f dash C, where C is in open A to B. Here fx is x log x. Therefore f dash x is 1 plus log x. X as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, so it will be 1. Then log x as it is and derivation of x with respect to x will be 1, so it is 1 plus log x. So here we have, and I think you understand that this is log x raised to x also. We can take multiple as a power, and therefore log b raised to b minus log a raised to a upon b minus a is equal to 1 plus log c, where c is in open A to B. ठीक છે, આના પરથી મેં લીધું છે. f dash c, that is 1 plus log c because of f dash x. Therefore log b raised to b upon a raised to a upon b minus a is equal to 1 plus log c, where c is in open A to B. So we say that this is equation number 1. and yet this sum is not complete here, yet we have to do so many things here, but you can just see up to here. I will complete this sum in the next lecture and try to get the solutions. Otherwise, you can do calculation up to here. Thank you very much.